Hey, hi, hello, what's up? Well, I'm going to tell you about the news that happened yesterday on 15th May. Number one, OnePlus 7 Pro with triple rear camera. It will be launched on 17th May. Price is around 48,999. This event can start on 8:15 p.m. on IST. Means second, OnePlus 7 Snapdragon 855 OS price will be 32,999. 3. Paytm Post Card launched in partnership with Site, a credit card and universal cashback. 4. Redmi Q2 is a flagship smartphone. Name K means killer. 5. OnePlus Bullet Wireless 2 with a new design is about to be up. 6. WhatsApp exploit allows hackers to see on phone. 7. HP Omen X25 gaming laptop with dual screen design, price 1,48,000. 8. Google opens German Center to improve data privacy. 8. During IPL 2019, Hotstar break record with 1.6 million current views. 9. Bitcoin tops $8,000 at its highest since 2018. 10. Honor 20 render specification leaks show. 11. PUBG gameplay management system rolling out worldwide to promote healthy gaming behavior. 12. Google makes a push to boost travel researches. 13. Twitter giving users their account back after a long year logout. Means that the people who have very late account can access it. 14. Display takes control. Disney takes control over Hulu to challenge Netflix and Amazon. 15. Facebook makes live streaming rules strict after New Zealand incident. 16. Intel chip security flaw could affect millions. There was a flaw in Intel chip. 17. Facebook wraps advertising. Clean history may hurt targeting. Means that if a user cleans his history, Facebook might get a problem targeting it. 18. New e-truck controls pollution. 20. WhatsApp dark mode is coming. 21. Lenovo has made world's first foldable smartphone come in 2020. 22. OnePlus will make world's largest store in Hyderabad. 23. WhatsApp clone which cost $1,000 bypass anti-spam control. 24. Realme X have pop-up camera. It will launch on May 15. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.